Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Looker Studio, create data reports online. Open your web browser. Type lookerstudio.google.com into the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the Looker Studio homepage. On the homepage, locate the Sign In button in the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. A login screen will appear. Enter your Google account email address in the provided field. Click the Next button. Input your password in the password field. Click the Next button again. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to complete the verification. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Looker Studio interface. To create a new report, click on the Create button in the top left corner. Select Report from the drop-down menu. A new report template will open. You can customize the report by adding data sources. To do this, click on Add a data source. Choose the data source you want to connect to. Follow the prompts to link your data source. Once your data is connected, start building your report by dragging and dropping elements. Use the toolbar options to format and style your report. Save your work regularly by clicking the Save button. After finishing your report, click on the Share button to set sharing preferences. Now you are ready to publish or share your data report online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.